Okay, so first thing we're going to do is head over to assignments over here on the left, and at the bottom of the screen we will go ahead and click on create to start a new assignment. Alright, and we'll make sure we have a title for the assignment, and you can enter in detailed instructions. You might want to include things like group roles and your criteria for success. You can also attach additional documents for that as well. However, in this group project, the main thing is the students need a PowerPoint file. So I'm going to go ahead and click attach, and I can upload a PowerPoint that I created. Maybe I have a template that I want the students to start with. I could go ahead and upload it from my desktop. I could also click on OneDrive and I could find that PowerPoint on my OneDrive. If you're adding one brand new from scratch, click on New and go to PowerPoint Presentation. And here you can name it, and we will click Done. All right, and we can see here that that PowerPoint file is loading up, and you'll notice right underneath it says students can't edit, but we want the students to be able to edit this. So I'm going to click the drop down here, change it to students edit their own copy. That's a critical step right there. Now, if you wanted to edit this PowerPoint and add some information to it, you can go ahead and click on it and open it and add your information so the students see that when they open the PowerPoint. Now, over here on the right, this is where you can set your due date and time. The critical thing here is that if you're making it a group assignment, you're going to click on all current students. You're going to go to groups of students. Now, a window is going to pop up here and will allow you to create your groups. You could either manually create your groups, or you can just have random groups created. I'm going to go ahead and do manual to show you how that's done. Click create groups, and we can start off by actually naming the group if we want. The default is going to be numbered groups. Then here we can go down and click on our students to add them to the group. So I can add Gina and Matt, for example. They will be in group 1. I'll click create. And then here I want to add another group. So I'm going to click new group. And this is called group 2 by default, but I could change that. And we'll add the remaining 2 students to this group and create. So now you can see we have 2 groups created. And what will happen is each of these groups will get 1 copy of the PowerPoint presentation, and they'll both be able to access it. Click Done. All right, we can give it a point value, and we could add a rubric if we wanted to, and that is it. Now all we have to do is click Assign, or if you're not ready to assign it yet, you can save this as a draft and assign it later. If you saved it as a draft, you can always click on Drafts, come back to it, open it up, and then go ahead and assign it. All right, and that is how you create group assignments for your students.